Hola everyone, it's me, Locayoj, and welcome back. So today's video will be Thailand makeup style. I'll be doing two looks. One is peach and one is plum. I'm not gonna transform my face into a Thai beauty because that is very impossible with this face shape. However, I'll be using their common techniques to achieve the flawless and dewy look, perfect for bridal or everyday look. So if you're interested, stay and watch. And before we start, I just want to say that I have an ongoing mini contest and you will win 5 pairs of eyelashes. So that will be the video prior to this. Make sure you watch it and I will add the link on the description box. Make sure you join, guys. Now for the Thailand makeup style and techniques, they are really big into skin prep. I think most makeup artists really invest into moisturizers, serum, everything that will enhance the skin before they will add makeup. So Thailand makeup style is really big on skin prep. Like, they are more on the base. That's why this type of makeup style is good for bridal. Most Thailand makeup artists that I watch in YouTube and read about them also personally, they invest on skin prep. They're into hydration, moisturized, and also glowy, dewy skin. And for the color part, they are big into peach, pink, and plum, sometimes nude. Honestly, I don't have peach colored makeup. I tend to shy away from that color because if I add that on my skin, especially on my eyelid, it will be dissolved. But there are techniques so that the peach color will be enhanced by using yellow or red underneath it, or maybe pink. So here are the products that I got. First product that I got is from Kiss Beauty. So this is to imitate a peach cake. So first item in the peach cake is the peach foundation. Now let's turn it around. There you have the lipstick and the blusher, shade number 2. When you open it, it's peach and matte. For the lipstick, and oh, it's not lipstick, it's lip gloss. And let's watch. This is very tinted and pigmented for a lip gloss. Let's try the blusher. So this is gonna be the blush. Next, foundation. Mommy, I know for sure this is light. So these are Acne's, guys. Let's try to blend. It's quite thick for a foundation, but let's work with that. So next item is a primer and a fix spray. I thought it's plastic, but it's really glass. It's heavy too. This is the makeup primer setting spray. Now this is plastic. Next, this is the two things that I'm very excited, and my looks will be based on this. I'm not sure if this is from Kiss Beauty or Hasaya Girl, but let's watch. This is the plum and this is the peach. So my looks will be based on this too. Last item that I got is from Hasaya Girl. This is the 4-in-1. We have another blusher. It doesn't have a shade name, it just said on my cheek color brusher. I think this is more peach. I'll use this for the peach makeup and I'll use this for the plum. For the eyeshadow, this is from Hasaya Girl. It just says number 1 color eyeshadow. For the peach, I will use this 3 here, and for the plum look, I will use all the 3 there. So let's watch all the 6 colors. Let's start with this one. Nice peach orange piece. This one I think is pink one. Perfect. The white. So this is pearl iridescent white. So for the next row is this one. This is the orange bronze. I also like that color. So here, yes, and the center. It's light from its pan. You can see. Anyways, still nice color. And last, this shade. So this one is also a pearl iridescent, but with peach and pearl glitters on it. But the glitters are not big, guys. They're small. I mean, they're cosmetic grade glitters, so they're nice. The gloss, it comes with two. No shade name, just number 1 and 2. It's so cute. So this is number 1 and this is number 2. At this part of the video, I was really having a hard time picking up the pigment of the other three eyeshadow colors. So I picked up my Dapawenya eyeshadow palette and used the shade Rojas to enhance the purple mauve color to achieve the plum look.
always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time. Tell me a lie.
So here are the final looks on my first attempt doing the Thailand makeup style. So which one do you like? The matte plum or the dewy peach?
But I wanna be happy.
Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe and leave a comment on which one is your favorite. I think that's all for now. Bye-bye!